My mother at 66. The poem started with the journey of poet with her mother to coaching on the morning of last Friday. The poet noticed her mother sitting beside her, who was dozing and open mouthed, and her face was colorless like Asian and crops. At that the poet realized that her mother had grew old but soon separated. Those thoughts and outside there seemed young green trees enjoying children, then reached airport and standing for looked her mother. Found one colorless like winter moon and all pains. And childhood fear returned, but the poet said to meet soon and while parting continuously smiling. And second, keep quiet. The poet Pablo Neruda suggests that he was count the 12 and everybody would keep still. He suggests that one earth at our wedding place would be silent and motionless. This technique of the poet is related to a meditation, relaxing inspiration. His movement is unique with many sounds and this wavering throatness. Some strangeness. This process gives benefit to all the criteria human being like violent mentality which will also go to comfort and their mentality would be changed. The poet also cleared the confusion about total anxiety. Life is given for a purpose to be fulfilled. Total inactivity brings death. The must be single focus to for our aim for forwarding our lips, otherwise hug silence death would knock at the door. We should never threaten our lives with any fear. The poet adds vocated for earth, nature, to get motivation for life to be alive, and finally goes for future proceeding and continuity to the proceeding. Beauty. The poet John Keats tells about the things of beauty around us. He says that things of beauty is a joy forever and it never ends. Instead, it gives us a positivity and motivation during our hard times whenever there seems the hurdle and downfalls in the life. A things of beauty gives encouragement to move forward and work and effort for the betterment and the negativity is removed. Nature also play roles for the survival and struggle of the creatures. Nature always teach mighty dads are the estimated ancestor who did their best of the society. They cannot be ignored in the form of blessings. We find the immortal drink, etc. Pleasure and joy, the legacy we received from our seniors, these also the develop positivity with a joy of forever. And fourth, Robert stand likely.